Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding HTML code in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your WordPress site and insert custom HTML using the site editor. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress homepage. This is your starting point where you will be able to access all the necessary features of the platform. Once you are on the WordPress site, locate the login option at the top right corner of the page. This is usually prominently displayed so that returning users can easily find and access their accounts. Clicking on login will direct you to the secure authentication area provided by WordPress. After you click the login button, you will be presented with several methods for signing in. In this case, select the option where you can continue with your Google account. When you click on continue with Google, you will see a list of your available accounts. Simply choose the account that is associated with your WordPress site. This method not only simplifies the login process but also ensures a secure connection. After you have successfully logged in using your Google account, move your attention to the quick links section within your dashboard. In this section there will be an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to open the site editor, where you can make changes to your website's appearance and functionality directly. Now that you're in the site editor, focus on locating the plus icon at the top left corner of the interface. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. By clicking on the plus icon, you open a menu from which you can select various content blocks and tools to customize your site. Once you have clicked the plus icon, a search field will prompt you to type the name of the block you wish to add. Enter custom HTML into the search field. This action filters the available blocks and makes it simpler for you to find the custom HTML option. The interface is designed to be intuitive, ensuring that you can quickly locate the features you need. After you have typed custom HTML, click on the option that appears in the search results. Doing so will insert a custom HTML block into your editor workspace. This block is specifically designed for adding any HTML code that you want to include in your website. It provides a convenient area where your code will remain organized and separate from other content on your site. Finally, within the custom HTML block, you can now paste or type in your desired HTML code. This is where you can customize the content or functionality of your page by adding code snippets that may include widgets, scripts, or custom designs. Once your HTML code is inserted, you can preview the results to ensure that everything appears as intended before making the changes live. The preview option allows you to double check your formatting and functionality, giving you confidence in the edits you are about to publish. This comprehensive process will enable you to easily incorporate custom HTML into your WordPress site. By following these steps, you can efficiently integrate new features or customize the design and behavior of your pages with minimal effort. Enjoy the flexibility that WordPress offers, and happy editing.